Mama. Mama.
Yes, Autumn.
Mama.
Autumn. Autumn, where's your head? Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Where's your tongue? Where's your teeth? Where's your fingers? Where's your feet? Are they stinky? Are they stinky? Are your feet stinky, Autumn? Do you have stinky feet? Are you being silly? Can you smell your feet? Smell them. Are they stinky? Flower. Do you have a flower on your feet? Are there monkeys on your feet? Is that what a monkey says? Does a monkey say ooh, ooh, ah, ah?